to Maya's channel. Our mom bought us a present. We wonder what's inside. We will find out. And you will find out too. Let's see what it is. Fidget spinners!
Yay, these are my 2 fidgets.
These are mine 2 fidgets.
We each got
This
the
glows
same.
in the dark and this glows in the dark. Cool.
No, that is so boring. He got 2 fidgets that glows in the dark. I got 2 fidgets that are metal and do not go in the dark.
But one is the fastest fidget spinner in the world. The second is the slowest fidget spinner in the world.
This is the first.
This is the
Super
fastest.
fast.
This is the slowest. But these are the lowest. But they glow in the dark. They glow in the dark. You know which